Great, thank you. My name is Jonathan Dane. I am the Chief Financial Planner at Quinn, which is an advanced financial planning AI agent. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how Quinn is already helping thousands of users attain financial advice that they otherwise could not receive because of AUM minimums and minimum fee requirements. But first, a quick background on Quinn. The reason Quinn exists is really simple. The wealth management industry cannot scale. Despite all the new advisor tech that is issued and comes out every day, there is still one main problem. It is reliant on humans. Humans are expensive, and great financial advisors are hard to find. Quinn is the solution to all of this. Through our models, Quinn is able to deliver fiduciary quality financial advice, meet compliance requirements, and do all of this at a scale of thousands of users without any human interaction at all. And so today, I'm going to be showing you what this looks like from the perspective of a user, Kelly. So if we can start the demo. Kelly just finished onboarding. She went through our onboarding process, which took her less than 15 minutes and never had to connect an external account. That's the power of Quinn. Through this onboarding process, Quinn identified her debts, built a financial fingerprint for her, and learned her spending habits. It's the reason that 87% of people that start to onboard with Quinn complete the KYC, complete the onboarding, and get a financial plan all in less than 15 minutes. Now, what's important about Quinn is that it didn't just generate some generic plan with a couple buckets and telling her what to do. This is hyper-personalized advice, completely bespoke and built for Kelly. Kelly lives in New York. She makes $92,000 a year and she has some debts, but she also wants to buy a house. Well, the first thing Quinn identified was you have credit card debt and you need to eliminate that. So here's a plan, exactly what to pay to get out of credit card debt. Then it identified her auto loans. It also knows that her auto loan is at a good rate, so we don't need to accelerate payments. And then Quinn found her student loans. And again, Quinn looked at all of them and gave her a very specific payment plan for them. Hyper-focused advice, customized for the user, exactly what to do. But Quinn did more than that. Then, when it comes to an emergency fund, Quinn knows the importance of a financial safety net and also knows that Kelly has enough money, so there's nothing to do here. When it comes to that house that Kelly wanted to buy, she lives in New York. She told Quinn she needs $750,000. Unfortunately, she can't afford it, but what she can afford is $400,000. But this is where the power of Quinn comes in. Quinn also knew from its financial fingerprint that this was her first home purchase. So now she's getting focused advice, FHA loans. Take a look at that. How about penalty-free distributions from your retirement accounts, which I know you have? Again, all of the things that a financial advisor would be able to deliver, but they would spend hours upon hours preparing for and then presenting, given to somebody in minutes. Quinn can also do retirement planning. It lets her know, here's what to do in your 401k, here's what to do in your IRA because you're employed. If she wasn't employed, it may recommend differently. And then lastly, when it comes to investing, Quinn is here, it did a risk questionnaire. So it's going to tell her how to invest her account, and it's also going to help her set it up and transfer the money into it. But all of this is just the beginning of Quinn. Because as I said before, it's a financial advisor. People need to engage with their financial advisors, and that is where Quinn excels even more so than traditional advisors. Most advisors reach out reactively or maybe once a year. Quinn, because of its fingerprint, because it is watching everything of yours, can reach out to you as you pay off your debts and help you rebuild your plan. Quinn can help you learn to save more. This is how Quinn can not only help advisors scale up and reach more customers, but build bigger engagement with these customers that they otherwise wouldn't have. And then let me show you exactly what this works. So Kelly goes into Quinn, and she's been on TikTok a lot. She heard about this backdoor Roth IRA. It sounds really interesting. Maybe she should be doing one. So she's going to ask Quinn. What Quinn is going to do is take a look at her financial fingerprint, look at the knowledge that it has about these backdoor Roth IRAs, and tell her, is this something that she should be doing? Watch how it brings in her personal information. It's going to talk about her current earnings of $92,000 a year. She doesn't need one of these accounts because she already qualifies for a Roth IRA. So again, Quinn is bringing in the advice that an advisor would give with the personalization that an advisor gives, but without anybody actually talking or any individual doing it. Now, how about a scenario where Kelly goes, I just got a $15,000 bonus. What should I do with it? Again, Quinn is going to look at this and say, great, based upon your financial plan and everything I know about you, let me show you how to pay it. The idea is that people want to talk to advisors, but most advisors are too busy to talk to them, especially at this level. Quinn can help these individuals get the attention and get the service that they need at scale. It is the way that other institutions, other RIAs, and other wealth advisors can reach more clients at a faster pace without having to hire. And so, again, at the end of the day, she can always go back, look at her financial plan again, update it as things change. In this plan, it'll update in real time for her. So as her debts are eliminated or as her retirement planning comes into action, it's going to update the plan and give her more advice. The last thing that Quinn does is it also helps her know exactly what to do. The big problem, again, is that people are given advice, but they can't follow it. Quinn is here to give her this hyper-focused advice and how to implement it. Log into your student loan portals and increase your payment to $400. Check if you qualify for an FHA. Review your payroll stub. It's all the things that when advice is given to people, they hear it, but they don't know how to implement it. And Quinn is doing that. So again, the wealth management industry has a problem with scale. Quinn is the answer to how firms can scale up and deliver financial advice to the millions of people that want to pay for it, but simply can't afford it. Quinn's live in the App Store. Please feel free to download it, test it out for yourself. I will be at our demo booth, and I look forward to talking with everybody about it. Thank you.